I'm going to show you how the floss minder can help you with your punch needle. It's got a little groove here where you can easily place your punch needle. Either kind, any kind will fit in there just fine. Then if you have DMC floss that you've wrapped on a little bobbin, you can just slide it on there, and as you punch, it'll pull right off. If you put it on a spool, you can slide the spool on there and it'll also just pull right off as you punch. If you like to use the pearl cotton, you have it on, it comes on one of these. You can stick it on here, pulls right off. Or if you like the Valdani floss, you can stick that on there and it'll also come off as you punch.